Alright, here's a quick way to make a snow in Unity. Start by creating a new particle system and move it above your camera. Set the emission shape to 10 by 10 box and drop the start speed to 0. Give the start size a random range so the flakes vary a bit. Enable velocity over lifetime and add some downward speed so the snow actually falls. Increase the emission rate for more flakes and add a little random x-axis velocity for some light drifting. Turn on size over lifetime so the flakes grow fast, then slowly shrink and fade out. Add some noise for extra randomness. If you want it to look nicer, make a new particle material. Set it to fade. Attach the snowflake texture. Add a snowflake texture and use that in the renderer. Finally, add some random rotation at the start and over time for that natural spinning effect. And that's it, simple clean snow in Unity. Enjoy!